So, if you're having problems with Fortnite here and your controller edit is bugging out, well, there are a few things that you may want to know. So, typically, this happens when a certain feature here that is extremely bugged is currently present. So, to check that, is you want to go ahead and just click on your profile icon at the top right here. You want to go ahead and click on settings. You want to go to your controller presets. And in here, what we need to do is we want to go and scroll down a bit. Now, in here, you want to look for targeting, and you want to look for a very specific setting here that was actually added before on Fortnite. So that's actually weapon canting. So that option or weapon canting, that setting here is actually pretty bugged. So what happens is if you have that turned on or if you have anything assigned to it, this will bug out your edit button, which is kind of a bad thing here. So what you need to do is you want to go and just click on the X button that you see here at the right side of weapon canting if you do see it, and that should solve your issue. Now, if you don't see it in here, well, actually officially right now, the Fortnite actually removed that setting, but just in case if you do see that setting, go ahead and basically turn that off or click on the X button here to remove the mapping for it. And once you've done that, you can go ahead and also look for build in here. So anything for building here, you want to go and just remove how it's actually added or whatever is set on it. So you want to go and click on the X button for it and just reset it or re-add the actual build button that you've set for it. And once you've done that, that should solve your issue. But that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.